In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Peacock on Smart TV. Step 1. Access account menu. On the Peacock home screen, tap the left-facing directional button on your remote to open the menu. Step 2. Select your profile icon. Navigate to the top of the menu and highlight your profile picture or account name. Step 3. Enter account settings. Select Amount from the top right or account gear icon to enter the account settings. Step 4. Locate the Sign Out option. Use the down-facing button to scroll to the bottom of account settings until you see Sign Out. Step 5. Confirm Sign Out. Select Sign Out. A prompt will appear. Confirm by selecting Sign Out again. Step 6. Remotely sign out of all devices. This is optional. You can visit peacocktv.com on a desktop, then go to Account and then Devices. Then choose Sign out of all devices to log out everywhere. Now I have some tips for you. Logging out does not cancel your subscription. You can only sign out of all devices remotely. Individual device sign out must be done on that device. Repeat these steps on every smart TV you use. And that's how you log out of your Peacock Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.